Hello to you. My name is Jesse Johnson. This is rich mind mentality, poor mind mentality. What do Robert Kiyosaki, Dan Pena, Dan Lok, L-O-K, Bill Gates, Tyler Perry, Warren Buffett, and others like them have in common, other than millions and billions of dollars? They have the winning mentality and the rich mind mentality. They're not in the same state of mind as the majority of people. Most people have the poor mind mentality. This produces lots of suffering, unnecessary suffering. What are some of the qualities, the rich mind mentality, that you absolutely must practice and must put into action, that so many others need and can have? No trying to talk or think your way out of a damn thing. Study the list of qualities that I'll give you. Not just glance over it or half-ass hear it. That won't do anything for you. Nothing, not a fucking thing. But utterly make them your life and come back again and again to this video and list. Study them and in fact take the rich winning mind mentality and put it into action and practice it every single day. I 100% guarantee you that you'll pick yourself up to the stars within yourself with money in your purses, wallets, and accounts. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen. Study each and every one of these qualities on this list. Every single one matters. These are the qualities that the rich and super rich have in common, and so will you. Now, to continue with the list. To begin, here's 1 through 14. Number 1, there's never an easy time to make a hard decision. Number 2, you must reach the age of reason at an early age. 3, you must have extreme discipline, extreme focus. Number 5, be honest to oneself. 6, learn to dress like the president of your country or the president of a big corporation. Number 7, only one time to make a first impression. I'm not here on this video to be your friend. I'm here to drag your ass across the goal line. Number 9, to reach any goal, sacrifices are necessary. Number 10, find something you're crazy about that can change 1 billion lives. Number 11, learn the difference between assets, which makes you money, and liabilities, which take away your money. Number 12, the education system teaches how to be a slave, an employee. Never teaches importance of money. Find those who will teach you the importance of money. Number 13, learn how to manage your money. Number 14, you're taught to be poor your whole life. That is why you're poor. Everyone is teaching you. Schools, teachers, parents, friends, TV, everywhere around, all around. Number 15, there are different ways to earn money. Number 16, you must develop productive habits. Earn your success. There's no something for nothing. No one owns anything. Not you or your God. Number 19, be independent and find your own way. Build social skills and influence skills. Practice patience and delayed satisfaction. Number 22, hard work and smart work is worth it. 23, there's an ocean of money. Always more money. 24, don't wait on others to help you. Get going. Don't get angry, get smart. Money smart. Number 26, it doesn't matter how many times you failed. Learn from it. Learn from it. Learn. Number 27, stop trading your time for money. Earn residual income. Number 28, how to raise capital. Learn how to raise capital. Follow, number 29, follow one single course of a large income making activity until you're successful. Number 30, the more you give, the more you receive. 31, make an investment in real estate or a business. This alone makes you smart. Smarter. Number 32, change your mindset about money from a poor mindset to a rich mindset. Work hard and work smart towards a large passive income. Everything you have or possess right now is inside your comfort zone. All that you want is outside your comfort zone. You must expand your comfort zone to reach what you want. Do the things, money-wise, that make you uncomfortable. It must be practiced every day. Number 36, what holds you back is fear. Fear isn't real, but seems so. You create all fear, not your situations or your conditions. You have instincts from birth, yes, but not the falsehood of fear. $37. The 7 most dangerous words, money-wise, against success is: number 1, I know that. Number 2, I can't afford it. The 10 most beneficial words. Number 1, how can I use that? Number 2, how can I afford that? Number 38, if you ain't lived it, you don't know it. You must execute the plan. You must take action. Number 40, change your poor mind vocabulary to a winning mind vocabulary. Number 41, how can I make it make me money? It's not about a car or a house, but how can I use the house or the car to make me money? The 7 most powerful words, it's your mentality that keeps you broke. Number 43, if you truly win in life spiritually, not just money, everybody else on earth wins. They win just that much more. Number 44, when you say you'll try, you've already decided to fail. Don't try, do the matter. The controllers of the educational system want you to be poor and stay poor, teaching you only to be an employee or a slave, never about specifically money. Number 46, the 4 principles of making money. A, how much money would it take to satisfy you? It must be $1 million or more. B, how much time will you give yourself to get this amount of money? 2, 5, 7, 10 years on your birthday? C, what will you give people back that they will give you this much money? Your investment, in other words, what will you invest in to give people something that they'll give you this much money? This D, take action, plan it, double plan it, and take action. Number 47, being sensitive equals poverty. 48, never turn back to being a weakling. Never turn back into being a weakling. If you're strong right now, there's no sympathy if you do. Number 50, you can do it when you press yourself to do it. You can be very damn innovative when you have to. So fuck that. Be so all the time. Number 52, what gets measured gets accomplished. 53, when you have more failures than accomplishments, it's easy to see why you're where you're at. Every day you must have more energy from and by what you do. Number 55, realize how hard it's going to be and get your ass in gear and do it. Follow Dan Penna's 7 and or 12-step programs. 57, failure is never an option. Never. 58, you must be accountable to yourself totally for what you think, feel, and do in this life. Endeavors learned in school don't work outside the school. Why? The system is busted to exploit and enslave all. That includes you. Number 60, you can be rich not because of the system, but in spite of the system. 61, I say, I and money is a single energy. Never say anything negative about money. 63, sacrifice. Want to be wealthy? Sacrifice. Have the goal? Reach the goal. 64, have an abundance mindset. It is not what happens, but how you interpret what happens. Get high status role models, no matter what your age. If you hang with cripples, you'll learn to limp. Hang with cripples and you'll learn to limp, even though there's nothing wrong with your legs. Number 68, life is hard. Life is hard. Nothing's easy. You understand this dumb shit? Life is hard. Nothing's easy. Number 69, ain't nothing ever as good as we want it to be. Number 70, you must program yourself for success. You were never programmed for it. Number 71, once you are fearless, you are limitless. 72, 80% of adult humans on this earth are unhappy. 73, never use thinking or words like, I can't afford it. Love of money is the root of all evil. The rich are greedy, etc. You'll never have big money. This is being negative toward money. 74, modeling. You follow the patterns of those around you. Get powerful, positive, rich people and powerful people models. Number 75, don't stop because you've had lots of negative experiences trying to get rich. Keep on going. That's 76, throw away the attitudes of life happening to you. No, create your life. Play to win. The rich know how to be responsible for wealth. Number 77, never but never blame others for your life. Make your life. Number 78, you want to be rich? Stop justifying. Stop saying money is not important or I'm always right. And stop goddammit complaining. Say, I'm going to be rich. Find out how and practice it. Number 79, don't just be interested, be committed. Say to yourself, I'm going to be rich, and do it. They did it, and so can you. Number 80, never criticize others, rich or poor. Everyone is doing their best, yet can do more when put into those situations. 81, being paid for efforts. You're an employee or slave. Instead, be paid for results. That's what the rich do. Number 82, put 100% into your plan to be rich. Nothing less. Have big money legal methods. Take action. Number 83, thinking you know everything will keep you poor. Thinking you can do it all by yourself will keep you poor. Number 85, the rich are like this. The rich are being proactive instead of reactive. They are living life on offense instead of defense. They're not being jealous of the rich. Instead, they are motivated by the rich. Expect pay by results, not efforts. Number 86, get financial literacy. Never knock it. The rich say, how can I do that? The rich say, how can I do that? They never say, I can't do that. 88, never use this. I don't have the time. Make the time. Never use, you think I'm made of money? It's a negative money talk. You'll stay broke and poor. 89, a question opens the mind, a statement closes the mind. Number 90, the rich have faith in their self, high self-esteem, have firm self-confidence, dresses for success. This increases power. It increases their income. Number 91, the number one thing holding you back and everyone else back is ego, E-G-O. Number 92, never blame others for things. 93, you don't know shit. Did you hear me? You don't know shit. Never think you know everything. You fucking don't. Number 94, one reason you're poor is because of fear. Fear of success, fear of failure, fear of mistakes, and what ifs. Fear is fantasy of the mind. It's not real. You're creating it. Number 95, get out of your comfort zone. You're dying. Expand out of your comfort zone. There are good rich people and there are very bad or evil rich people. There are good and evil poor people. Which are you? 97, don't be judgmental or prejudiced, projecting your own insecurities and values on others. You want to be rich? Stop doing this. 98, excuses are nothing but well-planned lies. Make money, not excuses. You can't have both. 99, stop overly pleasing others. Stop ass kissing. Number 100, justifying your failures, justifying why you don't, and others' dumb shit. Stop doing it. Stop justifying your failures. Stop justifying why you don't, and other stupid shit. Number 101, don't criticize wealth building methods if you haven't done it. Number 102, you're good at putting on a mask? That's a question. Are you good at putting on a mask? You're fake. That's one reason you're not liked or rich. It's hard to get rich being a fake. 103, stop being shy. Being shy is bullshit. It shows weakness. You need money, not bullshit. You are number one. That is what you are. You are number one. That's who you are. Number one. Number 104. Fuck other people's opinions of you. What others will think. And other people's opinions of every goddamn thing. Stop kissing ass. Number 105. You need teamwork. Other people's assistance. You have to trust others to do what you can't. Do so. You and them both will go up. Number 106, practice laws of success. Focus and don't drift from your goals. Number 107, skills. These are skills you need. You need closing skills, public speaking skills, communicating persuasion in public and in print. Communicate clearly with your team skills. This is leadership. Organize your time skills. Learn extreme financial literacy skills. Manage your time or your mindset, in other words. Manage your mind, your mindset. Be assertive and aggressive, but not violent. There are other principles of the winning mind mentality. And I want to thank everyone for listening and watching. So, share this video and have a very good day.